Creating a presentation. So far, we fully came across the OpenOffice Impress interface, and here we are going to discuss about creating an empty presentation using Autopilot Wizard. Autopilot is really just the wizard which appears as soon as you get started with the Impress. When you start the OpenOffice Impress, an Autopilot Wizard appears which helps you to create an empty presentation. This wizard provides you with 3 easy steps so that you can create the presentation easily and quickly. Click on the Empty Presentation under Type option in the first step of the wizard, and after that click the Next button, so that you will be displayed with the second step of the wizard. The second step will help you to select the slide design. Click on the drop-down button under Select a Slide Design. If you select the presentation backgrounds, the secondary choice displayed beneath the Select a Slide Design includes black and white, blue border, blue lines and gradients, and so on. These options are visually formatted templates. If you select the presentation, the secondary choice displayed beneath the Select a Slide Design includes Introducing a New Product, Recommendation of a Strategy, and these options are dependent on what you have selected in the Select a Slide Design field. By default, you will notice Presentation Background will be selected under Select a Slide Design, and Screen will be selected under Select an Output Medium option. Since we are creating an empty presentation, we will skip the wizard by clicking the Next button, and we shall discuss about the backgrounds later in the upcoming lessons. Then comes the third step. This wizard allows you to select the slide transition for your presentation. Click on the drop-down button under Select a Slide Transition to select the effect transitions. To select the speed of the slide transition, click on the drop-down area under Select a Slide Transition, so that you can assign speed of the slide either slow, medium, or fast. Then, under Select the Presentation Type, you can select either Default or Automatic. Selecting Default allows you to present the slides in the presentation manually, and selecting Automatic allows you to present the slide automatically based on the duration of page and duration of pause timing. By default, no effect and medium is selected under Select a Slide Transition, and default under Select the Presentation Type, we will come across Select a Slide Transition and Select the Presentation Type in depth in the upcoming lessons. You would have noticed in all the 3 steps there is a preview area at the right side of the wizard, and that preview area is used to view the preview of what you are selecting in each step. Next, click on the Create button. Now, you can notice an empty presentation is created in a simple way. In order to enter the text, go to Drawing toolbar. Select Text and click on the Empty Presentation so that a text box appears on the side. For practice, let's type "Welcome to my first presentation" on that text box. There is also another way of creating an empty presentation without using the Autopilot Wizard. When you select the OpenOffice Impress, by default you will witness the Autopilot Wizard appearing on the screen. In order to disable the Autopilot Wizard, you can just check mark the Do Not Show This Wizard item under the preview area of Step 1, so that next time when you select the OpenOffice Impress, the interface of Impress appears and you can create an empty presentation by clicking File menu, and selecting the new option. You will then be greeted with many applications of OpenOffice.org. Select Presentation. Now, you can notice an empty presentation is created. As we have already discussed before, we shall also create the presentation using the Quick Starter from the System tray. I hope you have understood the creation of an empty presentation, and in the next lesson we are going to converse about how to save, close and open a presentation. Let's end with another top tip. If you do not want the wizard to start every time you start Impress, then select the Do Not Show This Wizard Again checkbox. Leave the Preview checkbox selected so templates, slide designs and slide transitions appear in the preview box as you choose them.